1986 Mercedes 560 SL with 14,000 miles on it. I get these from this customer like this, 30, 40, 50 years old, with the original air conditioning, and sometimes has never been touched, still virgin, hasn't been molested by a messed up mechanic who uses the little stupid cans. So on this one here, came in empty, had like 1 or 2 psi. And this is one thing I like about R12 with mineral oil. Mineral oil is about 10,000 times less hydroscopic than ester oil that we use in today's cars, or PAG oil. And in this case, as soon as I hook up the gauges and I start pulling a vacuum, I got down below 500 microns within about 120 seconds. You would not be able to do that on an ester oil or a PAG oil system, especially if it was ever opened up in a body shop and the lines were left exposed to the atmosphere. So right now we're about 10 minutes into it and I'm already down to 235 microns. This is the difference between mineral oil, PAG oil, and ester oil. You have to get this concept through your head when servicing vehicles that contain PAG oil or ester oil. And so it's ready to charge. And we'll go over here. And I think I'm ready. And okay. Can you see that? Go. So we're filling her up. Doesn't take long. Right there. There we go. We are done. System is full. 1986 vehicle. AC has never been touched in its life. Comes in with 0 psi almost, and that is considered normal, and there's no leaks. And when they're like this, they go pristine and usually last for years. In this case, I put on my adapters to move the Schrader valve cores out of the way, so there's no restriction when doing a vacuum. I'll show how to do that and the reason for later on in another video.